everyone, it's your boy Slick Pits, and welcome back to Dive Time Watch Reviews. And today I've got something super special coming straight out of Denmark from AV86. They actually sent me two watches, so I just really want to say thank you to the good people at AV86 for trusting my channel, for sending me these two watches, which I'm going to do two different unboxings, and this one is first. But thank you. I've been excited over this one ever since I first saw the photos of it. I think it's amazing. Today we're going to unbox something that is a real tribute to vintage-inspired dive watches that brings modern specs, modern materials, but it really just does the job. I've been excited over this watch for quite a while, and so we're going to delve into this. This is going to be the AV86 1956 Marine Automatic. Check it out. Before we jump in, guys, if you appreciate watches, if you like diving content, adventure, and all that good stuff, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. Now, let's roll on and check out this amazing watch from AV86. All right, guys, first impressions. It's a pretty substantial presentation box because this thing's pretty big. It's large, it's kind of heavy. Immediately kind of gives you that feeling like you're going to open something really special. And of course, presentation matters, especially for a brand introducing itself to a new audience, guys. And so far, AV86 is making a pretty strong first impression just by the overall size of this box. Let's get into this beast. That's just the outside box. Looks like we've got another inside box. Okay. Away. Boom. AV86. Really beautiful piece. Presented in this wonderful custom wooden display box, guys. It's got the engraving of the AV86 logo. And let's get this thing opened. Wow. Right off the bat. Absolutely stunning. Up at the top, you've got your warranty card. For the true gentlemen and women, we are profoundly grateful. Thank you for your support. Take good care of your due timepiece. Make moments. Give it history. Let it become vintage. I appreciate that. That's actually quite sweet. The packaging, it feels really premium, guys, without being super excessive. You know, it's really clean. It's simple. Very Scandinavian in its approach, of course. And here it is, the AV86 1956 Marine Automatic. At first glance, guys, this thing seems like it's absolutely just nails that beautiful vintage dive watch aesthetic. The black dial, super clean bezel, simple handsets, guys. Everything here feels really purposeful. You know, nothing on this feels out of place. It's just really clean. Now, let's get off any plastics or any wrapping, anything like that for you real quick. Now that we've got all plastic removed, guys, the stickers and little tag that was on here, let's take a closer look. One thing that immediately stands out is the balance of old and new. It's got a vintage design language that's paired with modern materials. You've got a double dome sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, a ceramic bezel for the durability, beautifully executed sandwich dial, just incredible looking, and enough water resistance to handle some serious adventures, guys. This is definitely not just a fashion piece pretending to be a dive watch. Let's quickly run through the fun specs of this watch. The case measures at 41 millimeters, and you're looking lug to lug coming in at 49.2 millimeters. Thickness is 13.8 millimeters with a lug width of 20 millimeters, so this is going to be an absolute strap beast. The case is crafted from 316L stainless steel. Up top is the double-domed sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. The ceramic bezel water resistance is rated to 200 meters or 20 atmospheres. Inside, it beats the Japanese Miyota 8215 automatic movement. You'll get approximately 42 hours of power reserve. The watch features hacking seconds, a screw-down case back, super luminova for the low light visibility, and it comes fitted to a Cadora canvas strap with a pin buckle. Each watch is also individually numbered. First impressions, guys, is that AV86 really got the job done right. It's beautiful. It's just classic. It's stylish. It fits really wonderful on that 7 1/4 inch wrist of mine. Wonderfully comfortable. The case is awesome. It's got tons of practical functionality, but of course, none of this really matters as a dive watch if it doesn't dive, right? So of course, you know it's going to be coming soon. One last huge, massive thank you for AV86 for sending over the 1956 Marine Automatic as well as the 1960 Racing Chronograph. I'm indebted to you, thankfully, with all the good stuff. So now you guys know what comes next is I'm going to wear this, I'm going to dive with it, and we're going to have a bunch of fun with it, and we're going to see if this thing performs as good as it looks. I'm your boy Slick Pits, and hey, we'll see you on the next dive.